Hey guys, today we're going to talk about patterns in ice, and we're going to talk about curb cuts as well. But before we get into it, I thought I'd just let you know that today at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, I'm going to be talking about rocket mass heaters. You can bring any questions you want with regards to rocket mass heaters, how they work, what I like about them, what I don't like about them, how ours work, and what I might change and do differently in future rocket mass heater builds. Hey guys, I'm at the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary. I was just dropping my kids off to go to bird camp over spring break here, and there are all these ice patterns. Ice patterns are really neat because they're kind of like patterns locked in time. And so there's a pattern here. Let's see if I can get the camera right. And it's actually an ice rill that's forming going back to a central location. You can kind of see it back here. And then there's another one right over here, and so it's coming from that car down all the way to right there, which is, if I can find the frame, a little bridge. And so this is actually a curb cut, one of many that Calgary has started putting in. And so all the water is flowing underneath this little bridge here. See if I can get it into the frame. And then it comes underneath this bridge, and you can see it ponding there in the background over there. And so they're basically using this parking lot as a water harvesting element, and it goes through a series of wetlands down into the bird sanctuary and hydrates the landscape, and eventually will make down to the river. So this is a really neat element. The main purpose of the video was to show two things. One, if you're seeing ice rills, it's probably a good chance that that's the flow of water when it's in a melting state or when it's liquid. So you can get clues as to how to harvest water later in the season by looking at these patterns that are locked in time. And then number two, we talk a lot about curb cuts, and so I really love seeing when the city of Calgary starts employing them to harvest water in a really meaningful way. As opposed to just sending it into the storm sewer and straight to the river, they're actually putting it to productive use. If you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the like button below, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.